Hi friends, I am Green Max. I hope you all saw my leaf printing video. If you didn't see it in the description box. Come friends, let's see how to make a leaf printed lantern. First, take some sheets of paper which are like this size. Have 4 of them. And take some leaves from your garden or park. Then even take some sticks which are in this length and some more which are smaller than that. And now you have to take some paint and water and brush. Now let's start. First take the leaves which we have took and turn it like this. Remember, don't paint this side, paint this side. Now use a messing mat to stop messing up. Now I have completed painting it. Now let us take the piece of paper which we have and keep it in the side wherever you want and press it. Then remove it, you get a print. Completed 3 things, but one is there yet to go. Now I am going to do the color with green. Now I have painted different colors and with different leaves. Look at the colors. And even in the other papers, I have painted different colors too. Now I have took a different leaf and I have kept it. Now I finished all these 4 things. Now let's start by doing the base of the lamp. For this you need your help of your father and mother. First place the sticks which you have took and cut it small and keep it overlapping each other and tie it with a thread. After you complete it, this is how the base will look. After you tie all the sticks, it will look like this. Like a giant rectangle piece. This is the base. This part is the base of the structure. Now we have to stick the paper over like this in all the sides. But in this, not in this side. After you finish all the sides, it should look like this. And now let's prepare for the top part. After you paint it, after you stick it, it will look like this. Light a candle with your parents' help and keep the lamp above it. And close off your lights. And it glows wonderful. Look with nature, what a wonderful lamp we made. Like, share and subscribe to my video if you like this thing. And don't forget to do this at your home. Bye bye.